Hi students, this is Karthik Trivedi and you are watching a lecture series of engineering graphics and design with me. So in this today's video, we're gonna see another example of projection of line. So let us see the example. So now you can see the example on your screen. A line AB is 75 mm long. Its front view and top view measures 50 mm and 60 mm long respectively, and A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw projection of line AB if and B is in first quadrant and find angle with HP and VP. So here the example is given. So first what we will do, we will write a given data. So first thing, the given data, we have the position of point A with us, which is point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So now you will decide the point A is in which quadrant? Yes, you are right. The point A is in first quadrant. So now we have the position of point A, which is in first quadrant. Now second data that we have with us is the value of front view. So if you read the first line carefully, he has written line AB is 75 mm long and its front view and top view measures 50 mm and 60 mm long respectively. So we have the value of front view with us, which is 50 mm. The third data with us is true length, which is 75 mm. So read the first line. Line AB is 75 mm long. That means he is talking about the true length. So we have the value of true length, which is 75 mm. Now the next data is we have the value of top view. So again read the first line very carefully. Line AB is 75 mm long and its front view and top view measures 50 mm and 60 mm long respectively. That means we have the value of top view, which is 60 mm. Now you have to think about the line in which quadrant. So now if you read the last sentence of the example, draw the projection of line AB if and B is in first quadrant. So we know that from the given data the point A is in first quadrant, and he has also said that the point B is in first quadrant. That means line itself is in first quadrant. So this is how you have to decide. So now we have this much of data with us. So let us start solving the problem. So what you have to do, you have to take your sketchbook with you and you have to just repeat the process, or you have to just repeat all the steps which I am going to mention over here. So what we will do, yes, you are right, first we will draw XY line. So first draw a XY line of any random length. So first we will start by drawing a XY line which is of any random length. Now what we will do, now he has given the position of point A. So we know that the point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. That means what? That means point A is in first quadrant. So you know that in first quadrant front view is above XY line and top view is below XY line. So what you will do? You will mark the position of point A. So A dash will be 10 mm above XY line and point A, which is going to be 15 mm below XY line. So first we will mark the position of point A dash, which is 10 mm above XY line. So like this is the point A dash. Draw extension line. Using align method, give the dimension. Yes, right, like this. Now we have to mark the position of point A. So 15 mm in front of VP. In front of VP, that means he's talking about the top view. So top view is 15 mm below XY line. So what we will do, from 15 mm below XY line, we mark the position of point A. From there we will draw extension line and give it a dimension using align method. So now we will have the position of point A dash and point A with us. So now what I will do, from point A dash I will draw a one horizontal line which is locus of A dash. Now what I have to do, here I have to mark a length of top view. Here I have to mark a length of top view. So read the given data. So you can see that the value of top view is how much? 60 mm. Here the value of top view is 60 mm. So what you will do, on the locus of A dash I have to mark the 60 mm. So how I will do, I will take a distance equal to 60 mm and A dash as a center, put an arc on the locus of A dash. Whenever it will be intersect, it will be your point 1 dash. So A dash 1 dash will be the length of top view. Okay, so now we have find the length of top view. Now what I will do, from one dash I will draw a one vertical line of any random length. So see this, from point 1 dash I will draw a one vertical line of any random length. Now on this vertical line I will find the point B1 dash. How? So here you can see that the value of true length, which is 75 mm, which is given over here. So what I will do, I will take a distance equal to 75 mm and add as a center, put an arc on this vertical line. Whenever it intersect, it will be a point B1 dash. So now connect A dash, B1 dash. So this is your true length. Okay, and you can measure the angle theta over here. So now we have find the value of true length in front view. Same way you have to repeat the same process in the top view. So now what we will do? But before we will do, from point B1 dash, we will draw horizontal line. We call it locus of B dash or B1 dash. Now, what we will do, from point A, we will draw a horizontal line. So now from point A, we are going to draw one horizontal line and we call it locus of A. Yes, you are right, locus of A. Now, here you have to mark a length of front view. As the same we have done in the front view, now we have to just repeat the process in the top view, but in reverse way. So now what we will do, from point A, we will draw one horizontal line and we will call it a locus of A. Now here you have to mark a length of front view. So now in given data, you have the value of front view, which is 50 mm. So now what you will do, you take a distance equal to 50 mm in divider, and now A as the center, put an arc on the locus of A. Whenever it will be intersect, it will be your point 1. So A1 will be length of front view. Now what we will do, from point 1 I will draw one vertical line in downward direction like this and of any random length. Now I have the value of true length, which is 75 with me. So the value of 75 mm with me. So now what I will do, you know that the true length, value of true length is always same in front view and top. You know that A dash B1 dash is equal to AB1. So now what I will do, I will take a distance equal to 75 mm and A as a center, put an arc on this vertical line which is in downward direction from point 1, and wherever it will intersect, it will be a point B1. So now connect point A and B1. So this is your true length and measure angle 5. So this is how you can find the true length in top view. Now what we will do, now we will find the front view. So to find the front view, what I will do, now see the screen very carefully. Now I will mark, or I will take a distance equal to A dash 1 dash. Before I will do that, let us give the name. From B1 we will draw horizontal line and we call it a name locus of B or B1. Now what we gonna do, from point 1, see the from point 1 I will draw a one vertical line. So from point 1 I am going to draw a one vertical line which is going to intersect locus of A dash. So see on your screen, from point 1 I will draw one vertical line which is going to intersect locus of A dash. Wherever it will intersect, it will be your point B2 dash. So now what you have to do, now you have to take a distance equal to A dash B2 dash. So now take a distance equal to A dash B2 dash and A dash as a center, put an arc on locus of B dash or B1 dash like this, and whenever it will be intersect, it will be your point B dash. So now connect point A dash and B dash, it will be your front view. So this is how you can find a front view. So now we only point left with us is point B. So we know that point B dash and B both are on same vertical line. So what we will do, from point B dash we will draw a one vertical line in downward direction. So you can see on your screen just like this, okay, and whenever this vertical downward line intersect a locus of B or B1, it will be your point B. Now connect point A and point B, which is going to be your top view. So this is how you can find front view and top view. So this is very important example. In this kind of example, what you have the value of front view and top view with you, and by using this data you have to find angle theta and phi. So this is why this is very important example, because in this kind of example you are having a value of front view and top view, but you do not have any angle theta, you do not have the angle phi, you do not have the angle alpha, and you do not have the angle beta. So you have to find all these angles. So that is why this example is very important, because here you have to solve this example by using the approach of length of front view and length of top view. So this, in this kind of example where you have to find all the angles, you have the value of front view, you have the value of top view, you have the value of true length, but you do not have the any value of angle like theta, phi, alpha and beta, where all four angles are missing. So what you have to do, you have to solve this problem by using the approach of length of front view and length of top view. So this is how you can solve the problem. I hope you will like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.